cases of coronavirus in India have reached 105. The Indian government has announced various internal measures to combat the outbreak. Various state governments have also reacted, shutting down public spaces such as malls and cinema theatres, as well as closing schools and colleges. So far, 2 deaths due to the virus have been reported in the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be representing India in a video conference to be attended by the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation member nations at 5 p.m. on Sunday. This meeting will be held via video conference in a measure to promote the World Health Organization's advice to avoid public gatherings. On Friday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi proposed the formulation of a joint strategy by SAARC member nations to control and monitor the COVID-19 outbreak. Prime Minister's proposition was welcomed by leaders of all member states. US President Donald Trump has been tested negative for the coronavirus, the White House physician has said in a statement. US President Donald Trump underwent a test days after hosting a meeting at his Florida resort with a Brazilian delegation, some of whom have tested positive. Trump did not self-isolate after that meeting, saying that he had no symptoms. But after a barrage of further questions during a news conference at the White House, he had said that he would get tested. A special Air India aircraft carrying 220 passengers, which included 211 Indian students and 7 compassionate cases who were stuck in Italy after flights were cancelled due to the coronavirus outbreak, landed in Delhi this morning. Evacuation by India was carried out after the World Health Organization declared the coronavirus outbreak a pandemic and said that Europe is the new epicenter of the virus. Italy is the worst hit European nation with 1,411 deaths due to coronavirus. The country reported 175 deaths on Sunday. Madhya Pradesh governor has directed Madhya Pradesh Assembly Speaker to hold a floor test tomorrow, days after 22 Congress MLAs resigned, putting the Kamal Nath's 15-month-old government in crisis. The Madhya Pradesh Assembly session will commence on 16th of March 2020 at 11 a.m. and after his address to the Assembly, the first work to be conducted will be voting on trust vote. He also said that the exercise cannot be deferred, delayed or suspended. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath on Saturday wrote a letter to Union Home Minister Amit Shah urging him to ensure the release of 22 Congress MLAs allegedly held captive in Bengaluru. Kamal Nath has alleged that the BJP has held these MLAs captive in the 4-page letter. He wrote, "Please use your power as Union Home Minister so that 22 Congress MLAs held captive can safely reach Madhya Pradesh and participate in the Assembly session beginning from March 16 without any allurement and fear."